Sell your home stress-free. If you're considering selling your California home and want to avoid the hassle and stress of traditional real estate transactions, Nanda Realty offers a seamless solution with their all-cash buying service. Specializing in purchasing homes as is, Nanda Realty eliminates the need for costly and time-consuming repairs. Whether your property needs a fresh coat of paint or a complete overhaul, there's no need to worry about making it market-ready. This approach not only saves you money but also allows you to sell your home without any added stress. One of the standout benefits of working with Nanda Realty is their commitment to a no-agent fee policy. Unlike traditional real estate agents who charge hefty commissions, Nanda Realty ensures that sellers receive the full value of their property. This means more money in your pocket and less paperwork to deal with. Their transparent and straightforward process allows you to focus on the next chapter of your life without getting bogged down by hidden fees or unexpected costs. Time is often of the essence when selling a home, and Nanda Realty understands the importance of a quick sale. With their efficient process, they can close on the sale of your home in as little as 10 days. This swift timeline is perfect for homeowners who need to relocate quickly or those facing financial constraints that make a prolonged sales process impractical. By choosing Nanda Realty, you can have peace of mind knowing that your home sale will be completed efficiently and on your schedule. If you're a California homeowner looking for a stress-free way to sell your property, consider taking advantage of Nanda Realty's all-cash offer. With no repairs needed, no agent fees, and the ability to close in just 10 days, it's a perfect solution for those wanting a simple and straightforward transaction. To learn more about how Nanda Realty can assist you in selling your home, call 61989 or visit nandarealty.com today.